First POV, day 11, shred challenge. I wake up. I woke up around 9, so it's 10:15. I'm 15 minutes late. I gotta have my shake within an hour. Do this real quick. I'm gonna make my shake. Oriental Wind Radio. I've been up on this one lately. It's pretty cool. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna clean this kitchen, right? Make my shake. Boom. I'm gonna sage the house. I'm gonna take this trash out. So I'm gonna light some sage. Boom. Clean that pan out. I took this out of the freezer already. Chicken that I'm gonna have later on tonight, and that's a frozen beverage mix. Bomb when you freeze it. It's that slush. First POV mode. Y'all not ready. I'm gonna go out there, probably practice some katas in the yard. Tomorrow's trash day finally, so I can clear out some of this porch. That's lemon ammonia for when the zombies come. You wanna put ammonia down on the driveway. That's the Wall Street Journal. I already ran the sprinkler, so that's what that's there for. No skunks allowed. Yeah, so I'm gonna drag this trash out and put it like right here so they can come get the trash. And probably sky some of this stuff because I don't know why it's there like that. Yeah, walking next door to the boys' house. First POV, I wasn't ready for this one. Hope y'all ready. It's gonna be a challenge within a challenge. And the door is locked and I left my key next door. So, 10 o'clock and day 11, first POV. I want to try to keep my body off the screen as much as possible because I want y'all to see me transform a little better. But when I was putting my body on there every day, it's kind of hard to tell. So, I want to get a wow from you guys. These are Herbalife boxes. Well, that one's from like Finish Line or something. But yeah, that's what's gonna happen this morning. And then I'm gonna get into my workout regimen. Tally has one too, so because I got one on the fridge. But right here, so besides following my nutrition, see, and I'm gonna start at 10, right? So if you have this, I start at 10. So if, you know, I'm sorry, up here. I'm gonna start at 10, so if I miss 7, just start at 10 and go 1, 4, 7, 10, 1, you know, and that's fine. And if you're up at 4 a.m., yeah. And you can go every 2 hours so it can actually catch back up. But that's the nutrition part. So as far as the workout, if I'm on day 11, boom, 8, 9, 10, 11, boom, I gotta swim today. All right, let's go get wet.